Hey there. So you're looking for the best IPTV player for Apple TV in 2025. And honestly, this is a question I get all the time from Apple users who want to purchase our IPTV subscription at 4kiptv.com. Apple TV is an excellent device with incredible performance and picture quality, and I'm going to show you exactly which IPTV players work best with it. Now here's something really important I need to mention. Before you choose your player, the IPTV subscription you select matters way more than the app itself. You can have the best IPTV player in the world, but if your service provider is running cheap servers, overselling their capacity, or providing unreliable streams, you're going to have a terrible experience with constant buffering and channels going offline. This is where most people make mistakes. They focus on finding the perfect app, but ignore the quality of the actual IPTV service. Choose your IPTV provider wisely. This is exactly why I recommend 4K IPTV.com IPTV. We've invested heavily in server infrastructure. We maintain consistent uptime, and we actually deliver on what we promise with over 46,000 TV channels and 200,000 TV shows and movies. The player is just the interface, but your IPTV subscription is the foundation of your entire streaming experience. Visit 4kiptv.com website to get your IPTV subscription. Here's the thing about Apple TV and IPTV. The App Store is down, so you won't find popular Android apps like IPTV Smarters Pro or TVmate, but there are legitimate options available. You've got regular players like iPlayTV and GSE IPTV Player that offer basic functionality. But let me be honest with you, there are two players that absolutely stand above everything else for Apple TV in 2025. And those are IB Player Pro and IBO Player Pro. These are the ones I genuinely recommend. IB Player Pro is specifically designed for Apple devices, and it shows. This app is built from the ground up for tvOS, so performance is exceptional. Streams load instantly, navigation is buttery smooth, and the interface is gorgeous. The EPG is beautifully implemented. Channel switching is instantaneous, and it includes advanced features like picture-in-picture and multiple audio tracks. It's the premium option for Apple TV users. IBO Player is the other top choice, and it's equally impressive. What sets IBO Player apart is its focus on security, with encrypted streaming for private connections. The interface is clean and intuitive. Performance is rock solid, and it handles large channel lists exceptionally well. Streams start quickly, playback is stable, and everything just works smoothly. Now here's what really matters. Pairing these players with the right IPTV service. That's where 4kiptv.com comes in. And honestly, it's the best IPTV service for Apple TV users. And 4kiptv.com offers over 46,000 live channels covering sports, movies, TV shows, news, and international content from over 50 countries. We provide thousands of movies and TV series on demand, all major sports packages, including PPV events and multi-device support. What makes 4K IPTV perfect for Apple TV is that we've specifically optimized our service for Apple devices. Our streams are high quality with minimal buffering. Our EPG data is accurate and always updated, and we provide 99.9% uptime with reliable servers. Setting up is simple. Just visit 4kiptv.com website and get your IPTV subscription. After that, enter your 4kiptv.com credentials into either IB Player Pro or IBO Player Pro, and you're watching within minutes. 4kiptv.com also offers 24/7 customer support, and we support both Xstream codes and M3U formats for full compatibility with these players. When you combine 4kiptv.com with IB Player Pro or IBO Player Pro on Apple TV, you get an experience that genuinely exceeds traditional cable. So here's my recommendation. If you want premium Apple integration with modern design and cloud sync, go with IB Player Pro. If you prioritize security and encrypted connections, choose IBO Player. Either option, paired with 4kiptv.com, gives you the complete package. The bottom line is this. IB Player Pro and IBO Player Pro are the best IPTV players for Apple TV and all other smart TV like Samsung TV or LG TV, in addition to Android TV, and our 4K IPTV is the best service to run through them. Install one of these players, sign up for 4kiptv.com, and you've got a professional streaming setup that works flawlessly. This is the combination that actually delivers results for Apple TV users. Like and subscribe, and see you in another video.